Hey guys, this is Wendy. I'm so excited you're here with me today. I created an Easter card that's really simple using the All Adorned stamp set, which when you look at this set, you probably wouldn't think of it as being an Easter set, but honestly, when you change colors up, you can make anything fit a season. So here are the two sets. You get the All Adorned stamp set free with a $50 order, and the More Than Words stamp set is 17 bucks, and it's only available in the month of March. Here's the card, and we're going to get busy making it. So this is cut at 4¼ by 11 inches and then scored at 5½ inches to make a top folding card. And I'm using Highland Heather and Pool Party as my color combination. And I threw that little So Saffron in there. But I really wanted to focus on my Pool Party and Highland Heather as my basic colors. To me, they just kind of scream Easter. This is the Daisy Punch and the 3/4 inch circle punch that we're going to use, or that I used to make the daisy. And so you will need that as well. Okay, so we're going to start off with the Highland Heather here, and you can see I'm just going to repeat stamp. Now the trick to this is I'm lining up the arrows. So you see the little arrow that's sticking off the sides? I'm just lining those up so that they kind of like keeps with a pattern. And kind of eyeballing the spacing, trying to make sure I'm spacing them about the same amount apart. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. So really, really simple. And then I'm going to come in with the Pool Party with the other design, and it will fill in the inside of this design. So you'll see what I mean here. It takes me a second to get it lined up correctly. And then we'll do the stamping, the sentiment stamping, and add the flower. So while you guys watch that, I have a story to tell. And this story's, look at what I just did. I stamped in Highland Heather, but I caught myself. So this story is probably going to be ongoing throughout the week because it's a lot to tell. But here's the deal. So one of my best friends, who I've been friends with for, I don't know, a bazillion years. She's one of those friends who we don't talk all the time, but when we talk, it's as if no time has passed whatsoever. I know you all have that friend. And so anyway, we were talking the other day, and we hadn't talked in a long time, which meant that we had like a 2-hour phone conversation. Which, who has time for that? So we're both on speakerphone, like running around doing stuff while we're talking. That's our normal MO. So we're chatting, and she tells me that there is a murderer living next door to her. So I'm like, wait, what? What is happening? So she says, because they've moved recently. So she says, yeah, have you seen the signs all around the county about this man that's missing? And I say, and she tells me his name, and I say, yes, I have. And he's an elderly man, and he's a veteran, blah, 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 and all this stuff. And she's like, I live next door to him, or where he lived, and I think his daughter killed him. And I'm like, but there's missing signs for him. And she's like, yeah, but I'm telling you, this girl killed him. So I'm telling you guys, this story is not going to finish in the next 2 minutes. So you're going to have to keep tuning in throughout the week to hear this whole story. Okay, so as of this moment, she is not around, but here's how it starts. So the man apparently goes to a veterans thing like once a week, and apparently went to the veteran thing. I don't know what it is, but went to something for veterans, and he never came back. And so after like 3 days of him being missing, quote, missing, the daughter reports him missing. So that's where kind of the story starts, is that she reports him missing. So for the last 6 months, yes, y'all, 6 months, this man has been missing. And they have started like a special Facebook group for him. There's people that, like, the flyers that are hung all over our county are not, I found out, were not hung up by the daughter. They were hung up by this group of people that have like volunteered their time and money to try to find this man. So anyway, my friend has become like the super detective because she sees all this stuff that's happening. So she kind of gets involved because since he's gone missing, she's noticed, well, I should say since she's moved there, she's noticed all this weird activity over there. So for one thing, they have all these dogs. The woman apparently has 4 children. They have all these dogs. The dogs are like in the house neglected. And so my friend had started calling animal control about the dogs. Okay, so we're done with the card. So now you have to just come back to hear the next part of the story. I'll give you some more tomorrow on my Facebook Live, which will be at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and then some more on Wednesday in that video, okay? Here are two other videos that you can watch from me. You can click on the circle with my face to subscribe to my channel. You can shop with me at shoploveandstampin.com. I hope you have an awesome day. Sorry I had to leave you on a cliffhanger. Bye.